What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We on our way to go pick up a jack, so we don't gotta go keep going to the tire shop to change out these tires on the truck, man. So I'm on my way to go buy a heavy duty jack right now. We're gonna switch the front wheels out, maybe see if we can get a smaller tire. I remember seeing a bunch of you guys saying, hey, just get a smaller tire, just get a smaller tire. And that may be the best and easiest thing to do. So we'll try to get a smaller tire. If we don't get one, we'll at least try to see if one fits without rubbing. And then we'll go from there. If it doesn't rub, then we're good to go. So come on with your boy. Let's get this jack and let's get this day started. Y'all got to see this Bel Air, though. Look at this thing, man. Woo. That thing clean. Woo. And he on the drag daddies. Oh man, that thing was nice. Alrighty guys, we have to come get another four-way. I freaking lost one of mine. But I went in there and seen a little baby Harley up in there. Y'all know I had to grab it, man. And we got the vet next to the truck. These things is looking good. However, it's like after being in the truck for so long, when I hopped back in this like thing yesterday, oh my God, it was the worst. Like no comfortability at all. We did get our jack. Scored on like Facebook Marketplace. Brand new, daddy-o. So that'll work out, man. Let's try to get this truck pulled in here and get these things switched out, man. Alrighty, now that we got our jack, we can literally see these calipers and everything. There's so much dirt and stuff in these calipers. Like, wow, that's crazy, dog. You can probably get some of this dirt out. So a lot of people were saying you can turn the torsion bar. I'm guessing this is the torsion bar right here. And the screw to that in the middle right here. So I'm thinking if you screw these, you may be able to, somebody said if you screw these things, you may be able to turn it up a little bit with a free lift. So I don't know, might check it out, see what we could do, man. So smart of me to freaking remember that I got adapters with different bolt patterns, so these stocks won't fit on here. Have to freaking take the bolt pattern off. Now I need somebody to hold the brake. Alrighty, so they kind of screwed me. Literally, I can't even get these things off because when I press the brake and I try to use the four-way, of course, I'm generating too much force, so it's like not really getting the brakes to stop. It keeps like literally shifting like that. So I think I may either just have to take one wheel one by one and try to find the tire that's smaller and bring it back and see if it like don't rub, and then go from there, or we're just gonna have to ride it like this. But I'm really not trying to ride it like this, so we'll see what we can do, man. I don't know just yet, dog. Alrighty guys, we got the wheel off. So now we can see the forks, but the thing is, what I'm having trouble with is how this thing locked. And pretty much I can't even turn it back right no more. So I don't know if I should put the thing back in and turn it straight or what, but we are getting there, man. So let's just keep moving and let's hope for the best, man. Now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, we have pretty much got down to the basics. We got the wheel and stuff off. However, we don't have this size wrench, so we gotta wait till somewhere opens up so we can go get that. And that's like literally the only thing holding these forks up right now. So other than that, it's pretty simple, pretty easy fix. So we'll keep going and see how it works out, man. Alrighty, guys. Early in the morning, I got all the tools except for like 1 3/8 inches, bro. That sucks. So I gotta go to Home Depot real quick and go get 1 3/8 inches, and then we can get that top fork bolt off, and then hey, we can probably get this job done today, man. This is it's starting to come together. Hopefully it keeps going this way and everything works out. So just hang with your boy and let's go. Man, Home Depot didn't even have what we was looking for, so hopefully Harbor Freight has what we're looking for, dog. Alrighty, guys, after 2 trips to freaking Harbor Freight, we finally found the one that we needed. It was a 35, fit right on there. Got that thing loose. So we'll just loosen the other side really quick. We got this one loose already. Loosen that real quick and drop these forks, man. So let's get it. All right, man, my only problem that I'm having, of course, the forks won't come. I gotta hit them with something, so I gotta go get like some WD-40 so I can spray like right up in here and then give it a tap. And then the bars keep getting locked up, so I hit up Backhouse. He said if I just take these 2 little screws off right there, I should be good. Oh my God, my camera cracked. Wow. Man, I'm having a harder time than I thought, man. Freaking because this fork is bent, it's not coming out as easy. So we literally got most of it out. There's probably only about a little bit left in there. But man, when I tell you I was hacking on that thing, I think we might have to try the other one first or something, dog. Alrighty, guys, this is pretty much why I don't work on my own shit. This dumbass shit won't even go back in here. I'm just over it at this point. I'm about to fucking put all this shit back together and fucking take it to the shop, bro. I'm fucking over it. Well, right when we was about to pretty much call it a day, we got 1 fork off, and that was the one that wasn't bent. So, I mean, you know, it's out, but definitely wasn't the hardest part. This is still stuck, so I don't know, man. We gotta keep trying, dog. Man, oh man, oh man, y'all. Well, forks is still there. I ended up pretty much only getting one side off, and then couldn't really get the other side off, and couldn't get the new side back in, man. So I put it back together as best as I can, because this thing is going to the shop in the morning, dog. I don't even got time. Like, literally, I can try this all day, and I can sit out here. I've been out here since about maybe 5 this morning. It's 3:15 now. So, you feel me? I'm just kind of over it at this point, y'all. Like, as much as I want to try and save some money, this is where I just feel more comfortable. Like, I'd rather spend the money and get the job done right, rather than, you know, have it half-assed and have somebody leave out of here unsafe. So, me personally, I rather just stick to what I've been doing, and just, you know, I like to have the tools here to do little stuff, which is cool. But anything like this, I'm pretty much cool on, man. So, it's gonna be getting picked up in the morning, heading to BBV. We're gonna, I don't know if this thing kind of doesn't roll, but okay, it does roll a little bit. So that's cool. It rolls a little bit, but you know, it is what it is, man. I'm just whooped right now. Like, y'all don't even understand. And then on top of that, I can't seem to get the ignition part back in. Like, it's just all messed up, man. I totally messed it up. So then I was getting like brake fluid. I mean, not brake fluid, but just stuff everywhere, man. I'm just upset. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. We tried to work on the bike, just didn't work out. We lifted up the truck a little bit with the torsion keys. We're gonna go find some smaller tires for that, probably tomorrow or something, man. I was gonna do it today, but I'm just type whooped. Got the baby on her Harley. Say hi. She's rolling. She said she on ground. Come on. Man, and we in this truck, man. I just had to come hop in this thing real quick, man. We lifted it up on the torsion keys a little bit, like pretty much like an inch or two. I think probably like 2 inches with the torsion keys, the stock torsion keys. And it's like not rubbing at all like it was when we first did it. So we literally can turn like halfway without rubbing, and literally go places now and turn in a parking lot and leave, you know, without having to reverse. So, hey, man, that just made my day that much more happy and everything. Because I'm telling y'all guys, like, all day I was like working on that thing, and then just to like get nothing done, like to do all that work, and it still looked like I didn't, you feel me, put a dent in it. You know, it's just like, you know, it's overwhelming, and it's like, you know, BS. But, you know, it is what it is, man. I'm here, happy with you guys. We always got tomorrow, so we're gonna start up fresh and then just go up. I mean, I got the baby in the back. She probably knocked out. Mama. Okay, she not knocked out. She rolling today. My dog Randy right here, man. Y'all go subscribe to the homie channel. But yeah, man, when we just slide in this big old truck, man, we're all above all these cars, man. This thing feel crazy. I already know how I'm rolling. I don't even want to be in a vet no more like that. Like, to be honest with you, like, that thing's so low. I was in it like 4 different times. We literally took like 4 trips to Harbor Freight today. I'm just over it. So with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. But you know, it is what it is, man. So with that being said, I'll have to catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.